Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. Today I am super excited. I'm very sorry about my voice because I'm kind of sick right now and my throat is bothering me, so I'm very sorry about my throat. But anyways, I'm going to be using my glitter glue that it's a 10 pack and I got it at Walmart for like $4 and that's a really good price. So it comes with burgundy slash deep red, then orange, then red orange, and then gold, and then comes with deep green slash green. It comes with light blue slash blue. It comes with deep purple slash purple. It comes with pink, silver, and it comes with this color. I have no idea what this is called. That's how it looks, but like it's just a mixed color. So I'm going to be making some slime with these glitter glues. So yeah, let's get started. But before you start this, you need to clean this. I just cleaned it, and then you need to clean your mixing utensil as well. Yeah, now let's get started. Today I'm going to be using red and gold. I'm going to be using red. So yeah, and a little bit of gold. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this whole thing. So what I'm going to do is just pour this whole half. So now that I poured in most of the glue, it's a little bit more. Now all I'm going to do is just pour half of my gold glitter glue. About that much. Because I won't waste all my glitter glue, my gold glitter glue, because it's really nice color. Now all you want to do is just mix this up. And as you can see, it's already clumping up like it's slime, but really it's not. And this is a really cute, good color, gold and red. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix this up until it's all combined. So I just got done mixing it, and then I added a pinch of baking soda. And I got this idea from Halle. So credits to you. I don't know if this is gonna work, so I'm just gonna mix it until it looks like slime. I added a little bit more of the gold glitter glue. Now I'm just gonna keep mixing. And now what you wanna do, so the baking soda thing didn't really work for me, so I'm gonna try something else. What you want to do is just grab some lotion. Before you add the lotion, you want to add 1 cup of water. Then mix that up. And just keep mixing until it's really glob. Now once you mix that together, all you want to do is just add that much lotion. Then start mixing it up. And this is, my slime is turning into a brown, so I'm kind of disappointed, but you know, it's my first time trying this. Now, all you want to do is just add a little bit more water. One cup of water. Then mix this up. Now all you want to do is get some slime activator. Basically what slime activator is It's basically borax and water, or it's powdered laundry detergent and water. So just going to do 3 drops of that. Make that 5. Okay, now all you're gonna do is just mix really slowly. And then you should see it forming into slime. But if it's not forming into slime, then add some more water. Then it should form into slime. So it's gonna get super hard to mix. So what you wanna do is pick it up and start kneading it. Then you should see it forming into slime. If yours was not stretchy, like mine's, then just add some lotion. It can be any type of lotion. It can be body lotion, dry skin lotion, hand lotion. It can be any kind of lotion, and then it'll make it stretch even better. And hopefully you guys can see the glitter, because the glitter is so cool, and I just love this glitter. It's so cool and cute as well. I think I need a little bit more of the lotion though, because if you want yours to be pokey, then you need a lot of lotion and oil. Once you added a lot of lotion, then you should be able to poke it like I'm showing you right now. Then you should be able to stretch it as well. And I really love the glitters inside. Super cool. But yeah, if you want to see more slime videos with my glitter glue, then give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see galaxy slime with these glitter glues, then this video has to get to 100 likes, and then I'll do the video. Love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.